Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to add Coinbase to Google Authenticator. First, log into your Coinbase account using a web browser, not the mobile app, for the best experience. Then, locate the security settings within your profile. You will find an option there to enable or manage two-factor authentication. Make sure your Google Authenticator app is ready on your phone, as we will use it in the next step. Now let's link your accounts. On the Coinbase security page, choose the option to set up an Authenticator app. Coinbase will then present a unique QR code on your computer screen. Grab your mobile device, open the Google Authenticator app, and tap the plus icon, usually found in the bottom right corner. Select Scan a QR code and point your phone's camera at the code displayed on your computer. After scanning, Google Authenticator will immediately generate a 6-digit, time-sensitive code. Quickly enter this code into the corresponding field on your Coinbase security page. This code refreshes every 30 seconds, so you need to be prompt. Once entered, click Confirm or Enable to finalize the setup. Congratulations, your Coinbase account is now secured with an additional layer of protection. Implementing Google Authenticator adds a powerful layer of security to your Coinbase account. This means that even if someone obtains your password, they still cannot access your funds without your physical phone to generate the code. It is a crucial step in protecting your digital assets from potential threats. Remember to store any provided recovery codes in a secure, offline place for emergencies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.